Welcome to the grand arena of wealth creation, a coliseum where the titans of real estate clash. A place where fortunes are made and lost, where the boldest strategies either crumble or construct empires. This is not a game for the faint of heart. This is the battlefield of real estate, a landscape constantly shifting with opportunity and risk. Real estate is tangible, a physical asset that provides security and intrinsic value, powerful, capable of transforming lives and communities, and a proven path to financial freedom if you know the rules. Understanding the nuances of this arena is paramount to success. Many dream of real estate success, envisioning a life of prosperity and independence, picturing passive income and a better lifestyle, a future where money works for them, not the other way around. But dreams alone aren't enough. The path to real estate riches is paved with hard work and dedication. You need knowledge, a deep understanding of market trends, financing options, and legal frameworks. Strategy, a well-defined plan that outlines your goals, target markets, and risk management approach, and courage to compete. The real estate world favors those who dare to take calculated risks. Today we pit two modern gladiators against each other, two masters of the real estate domain, not in combat, not in a physical confrontation, but in a clash of ideas and strategies, a battle of wits and investment philosophies. This is your ringside seat to a masterclass in real estate investment, a rare opportunity to witness the collision of two powerful minds. We'll dissect methods, examining the specific techniques and strategies employed by each gladiator, mindsets, exploring the underlying beliefs and attitudes that drive their success. Why does this matter? Why should you care about the strategies of these real estate titans? Because in today's fast-changing world, the ability to adapt and innovate is more critical than ever. Understanding different paths to success is crucial, allowing you to forge your own unique route to financial independence. You're not just a spectator, you're an active participant in your own financial destiny. You're a student eager to absorb the wisdom and insight shared by these masters, arming yourself with strategies to build your financial fortress, creating a secure and prosperous future for yourself and your loved ones. This is more than a comparison. It's a journey of discovery. It's an exploration of what it takes to become a titan, to rise above the competition and achieve extraordinary results. Welcome to the Titan series by Exodus Capital, where we put the biggest names in money, mindset, and power head to head. Today, it's a heavy-hitting battle, Grant Cardone versus Robert Kiyosaki. Both built empires through real estate, both changed how millions think about wealth. But who's really got the blueprint for the future? I'm John, and you're going to want to watch this till the end, because what you learn today might change how you invest forever. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and share this video with friends, family, co-workers. Anyone you know who wants to build wealth. The more you share, the more this content gets pushed to people who need to see it. Let's dive deeper into Grant Cardone's approach to real estate investing. Cardone emphasizes the importance of scaling and leveraging big deals. He believes in multi-family real estate as a key to building wealth. His mantra: 10x everything. This means thinking bigger, taking massive action, and not settling for small gains. Cardone's strategy involves using other people's money to fund large apartment syndications, allowing for rapid growth and significant returns. He also advocates for renting where you live and owning where others rent, maximizing cash flow and minimizing personal liabilities. By following Cardone's principles, investors can achieve exponential growth and create substantial wealth in the real estate market. Now let's explore Robert Kiyosaki's approach to real estate investing. Kiyosaki is best known for his book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which has influenced millions of people worldwide. His core message revolves around financial literacy and understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Kiyosaki advocates for buying income-producing assets, even with low money down. He emphasizes the importance of using debt wisely to grow rich, but with a deep understanding of the rules of the game. Kiyosaki's strategy focuses on building cash flow through rental properties and continuously educating oneself about financial matters. By adopting Kiyosaki's mindset, investors can create a solid foundation for long-term wealth and financial independence. As we look ahead to the future of real estate investing, it's essential to consider emerging trends and market dynamics. Let's compare Grant Cardone's and Robert Kiyosaki's strategies in various market conditions. We'll see how each approach performs during economic booms, recessions, and market volatility. During booms, Cardone's aggressive acquisition strategy shines. His 10x rule encourages leveraging opportunities and scaling rapidly. Kiyosaki focuses on solidifying cash flow through diversified assets. In recessions, Cardone's high-leverage strategy can be riskier, but multifamily properties often provide a cushion due to rental demand. Kiyosaki's focus on undervalued assets and liquidity offers stability and growth potential. Market volatility tests every investor. Cardone's adaptability allows him to pivot quickly. Kiyosaki's teachings on financial education help investors make informed decisions. Understanding both strategies helps investors make decisions based on risk, tolerance, and goals. Here's how they differ. Cardone preaches scaling, big deals, big leverage, and multifamily real estate. His message: you're thinking too small. Kiyosaki focuses on mindset, financial literacy, and buying income-producing assets, even with low money down. Cardone says, rent where you live, own where others rent. Kiyosaki says, use debt to grow rich, but understand the rules of the game. Why does this matter right now? Because in 2025, real estate is still one of the best wealth-building vehicles on the planet. If you do it right, rents are up, inventory is low, interest rates are unpredictable, and people are either winning big or getting wiped out. What separates winners from losers? Knowledge and execution. If you're watching this and thinking, how do I get started? Or how do I scale my real estate game? Then listen up. We created the real estate investing course at Exodus Capital for people just like you. Whether you're new, stuck, or scaling, we break down deals, strategies, and passive income systems step by step. Click the link below or go to exoduscapital.com and start building your real estate empire today. Stop watching success from the sidelines. Get in the game. So what can you learn from both, from Kiyosaki? Learn the difference between good debt and bad debt. Build your financial IQ. Focus on cash flow, not just appreciation. From Cardone, think 10 times bigger. Use other people's money to scale fast. Don't wait for the market. Attack it. The truth is, you don't have to choose one. The most successful investors learn from both styles. Let me know in the comments, who's your pick, Cardone or Kiyosaki? And don't forget, subscribe and share this video with at least 3 people who need this info. Help us grow the algorithm and build the Exodus Capital community. This is just one episode of the Titan series. Next up, Grant Cardone versus Gary Vee. Cathie Wood versus Warren Buffett. Google versus ChatGPT. Turn on your notifications so you never miss a battle between the biggest minds in business. I'm John with Exodus Capital, and your journey to wealth starts today.